Alright class, today we're going to be going over dimensional analysis, how to convert from one unit to another. We're going to do an example of an everyday example and then an example using chemistry. Alright, essentially dimensional analysis is a method based on quantities that could be used as equalities. Now you have to have things equal to each other in order to find a unit conversion. For instance, if A equals B, like if 12 inches equal 1 foot, 12 inches over 1 foot would equal 1. Or 1 foot over 12 inches also equal 1. So therefore any inequality with two fractions can be formed. Each will be equal to 1. A few more examples. 1 minute is the same thing as 60 seconds. I could write 1 minute over 60 seconds or 60 seconds over 1 minute. They both equal 1. This is how you want to write them, and this is the order in which to convert your units. Whatever you're starting with in the question, you write on the top left. On the bottom right, you write the same units. On the top right, you write the desired units, what you're looking for. Then you could cancel out your starting units, and you're left with your desired units. For example, how many wheels on 350 Ford pickups are there? Obviously there's 4 tires in one pickup truck. That will be our equality or conversion that we use. We're first starting with 350 Ford pickup trucks. Then our conversion, write the same unit below. One pickup is equal to 4 wheels. All you're going to do is multiply the two. 350 times 4 is 1400. Now sometimes you'll need to multiply by more than one ratio to get your desired units. It's not always as simple as 4 tires in one car. In this case, you're going to start with your starting units like always. Write the same unit bottom right. Your new unit will be the linking unit that will connect to the final unit we want. Then again, cancel out that same unit. You're left with your desired units. When you cancel everything out, you'll be left with your desired units. For instance, how many seconds are in 2 years? Our starting unit will be 2 years. I'm going to write the same unit below it. 1 year. Let's go into days first. We could say it's 365 days, not worrying about a leap year here. By doing that conversion, we're left with days. Now I'm going to go days into seconds. 1 day is, well, let's do hours first. 1 day is 24 hours. Cancels out days, left with hours. Next, hours into minutes. You have 1 hour is 60 minutes. One last conversion. 1 minute is 60 seconds. When you finally just multiply all the top units together, 2 times 365 times 24 times 60 times 60, you get your final answer. It'll be 6.3 times 10 to the 7th power seconds. That means that there's 6.3 and then 7 zeros after it. So again, keep converting until you get to the desired unit you want. Okay, here's a chemistry example. Let's say we want to convert 25 grams of KMnO4, that's potassium permanganate, into moles. We first need to know our conversion factor. So let's figure out how much 1 mole weighs. If we have KMnO4, you need to add all your individual elements and find what the molar mass is of each one. So I have K, I have Mn, and then I have O, which is times 4. When you look at the bottom numbers of your periodic table, K is 39, Mn is manganese, that's 55, and oxygen is 16 times 4. All you're going to do is add these up. 39 plus 55 plus 64. 1 mole equals 158 grams. So now I have 25 grams, and I'm looking for how many moles it is. If we know 1 mole is equal to 158 grams, obviously our answer has to be less than 1 mole. So again, start with your starting units. We're starting with 25 grams. Then you're going to write your same unit below with our conversion factor. 158 grams is equivalent to 1 mole. That's our desired unit. Now we could cancel out grams on top, grams on the bottom. We're left with our answer in moles. All you're going to do is 25 divided by 158. Our final answer is 0.16 moles. So that's how you do a chemistry example converting your grams into moles. Essentially you divide by the molar mass. Alright class, so that's essentially how you do converting from grams to moles from any unit to another unit that's related to each other. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. You're going to see this come up again and again in chemistry. This will be a good first video to watch.